Hey guys, my name is Dr. Himanshu Gupta and today I'm going to talk about this productivity principle. Every bit of prioritizing, organizing and planning that we do comes down to this basic concept. And guys, this basic concept is single handling every task. In order to achieve high level of performance, it is important that you are able to choose this important task. You begin that important task and then you single-mindedly concentrate on that task until that task is complete. All the great achievements of mankind, they were achieved after a long concentrated hard work. Just have a look at this guy. Can you think he was able to achieve this level of performance by working for only just 1 or 2 hours? So what I've seen with many of the students is that once they are studying, or they are doing any task, they are always trying to do this multitasking. They have their phones on, they have their Instagrams on, they have their Facebooks on. Even if you are talking to someone, you are just scrolling down your Facebook feeds, Instagram feeds. So this is what we have to avoid if we have to achieve great levels of performance. All the other things that we do, whether it is planning, whether it is looking at the productivity principles, reading productivity books, if we are not able to just focus on one task at a time, then it is just a big waste of time. By concentrating single-mindedly on a task, it can reduce the time to do the task by more than 50%. What happens with most of you guys is that 1 hour you will study, then you will take an half an hour break or 5 minutes break, and that 5-minute break will extend to more than 3-hour break. It has been seen that the tendency to start and stop doing a task, pick it up again and start doing it again and then stop doing it, it can increase your time to complete the task by more than 500%. Every time after stopping the task, when you return to the task again, you have to refamiliarize yourself to the task. You have to again build up your momentum. You have to again overcome the inertia. But when you are continuously doing a task, refusing to stop, you build up enthusiasm. You build up motivation that I have studied for so many hours. Try studying for 3 hours straight. You will get a lot of enthusiasm ki yaar, I have done this great thing. I have developed this discipline of studying for more than 3 hours. And guys, you will see that your productivity levels will increase. So the thing is that anything that you do after deciding one important task, anything that you do other than doing the most important task, it is a relative waste of time. Start doing this thing from today itself. Begin a task. Try doing that task single-mindedly without getting distracted. Whenever you get distracted, you have to say to yourself ki yaar, come back to your studies again, come back to your work again. You don't have to do that thing. And just force yourself to continuously do that task until that chapter or that task is complete. And you will see that your productivity levels will shoot up. And do let me know in the comment section, how did you like this productivity principle, and if you have been following this productivity principle, what are your views on it?